What's cooking good looking? So, nagluluto siya ng Spanish dish. How do you call this, Alvaro?
Arroz al horno.
Arroz al horno. What are the ingredients? How do you call this?
It's pork.
Carne.
Yeah, carne, pork. Black sausage.
Black sausage. And then after, lalagay niya yung tomatoes. And how do you call it, Alvaro?
Tomatoes.
No, that one that you're putting in
Potatoes.
Tagalog.
Potato.
Patatas.
Patata.
And this one in the middle. Careful. Wow. Two, three.
Masarap. Kain tayo.
Masarap ba yan, Alvaro?
Oo.
Masarap?
Masarap.
Masarap.